Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shareen. I'm an interior designer in New York City, and we are continuing our series on wellness and interior design. There is no one who creates ambiance and atmosphere like the people I'm going to talk about today, and that is Walt Disney. And in this video, we are going to continue our conversations around wellness and design. The thing we're going to talk about today is the all-important resource that is often overlooked, and that is the essential resource of water. Water is an element that completely changes the atmosphere. Some companies have shaped our thoughts around clean, making us think that it has a smell like lemons or grapefruits, or God forbid, an artificial scent. But think about rainforests and even a bath and the running water in that environment and how it makes you feel when you see some sort of water installation. One of the most popular rides at Walt Disney is It's a Small World, and it's entirely based in a boat. I can't imagine how much water it takes for them to run this on a regular basis, but it is one of their longest running rides, and it creates this experience where you're not just floating, but you also hear the sounds of this rushing water as a backdrop to everything else happening, which gives you a feeling of calm, it gives you a feeling of peace, and it's very rare. Alright, what does this have to do with your design project? Well, I don't expect you to put in some sort of installation. And the inspiration for this actually came from under the sea. And I looked at this entire ride and the way that they tried to make it seem like there was water. And there's different elements that they used with lighting and so forth and bubbles. And I thought, oh, you could have an aquarium. That's definitely one way to do it. You could do some sort of waterfall, you can do some sort of water fountain if you can. You'll also probably notice that you see a lot of styled magazines that have just like a pitcher, glass of water, bottles of wine on tables when they're styled, and that's intentional. Gives you this feeling of water. Under the sea. So cute. If you are getting value out of this wellness series, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. There were one or two rides that didn't incorporate water, but even the ones that you didn't think it was necessary, they still made it happen. They put it in there somehow. We're not appealing to the sense of smell here, but we're really appealing to your sense of hearing and sound. Thank you for being here. You could have been anywhere on YouTube, but you chose to be with me, and I appreciate that. I'm thankful for you, and I will see you next time, next Thursday to be exact.